Good morning, everybody. Early start for us because we were hanging out for breakfast.
Want to experience, explore and travel Vietnam from the comfort of your home? Then click subscribe and join our tribe.
Those that have watched our video from when we arrived in Hawaii may recall we had some hassles with hotel and accommodation bookings. Long story short, this is actually our third hotel that we've stayed at in our time in Hawaii. First hotel 2 days, second hotel 1 day. This place we've been at for a few days now. No intention of moving until checkout day, and we get up early every morning for their breakfast.
Breakfast is amazing. They've got a great selection. Not just limited to one thing, you can eat as much as you want, and the staff are absolutely amazing here.
Yeah, primo little place, bedroom's awesome, plenty of room, got a desk in there to work on for when we do some work. So yeah, if you're ever in Hawaii and you're looking for somewhere nice and easy and decent to stay,
One thing,
Ruby, that's it.
That's definitely the place. We highly recommend this place.
Breakfast was good, but it had to come to an end, so we've since left the hotel. We are on the hunt for board shorts, but we started off with a walk along the Perfume River through this park that I believe is called Hue Vietnam 3 Park. And the reason we came through here is we noticed the other day it's full of these sort of cool and quirky statues, sculptures, heaps of different ones. So we wanted to come down and get a closer look at those.
But the most famous feature of this area is this Gothic beauty behind me. Dates back to 1899. It's one of the original structures in UAE, and she's looking pretty good for her age. The thing that makes this bridge famous is that she was designed and built by Gustav Eiffel from Eiffel Tower fame. And Leon's wondering if there's a secret apartment in this one too.
So underneath old mate Gustav's bridge during the day, not a lot happening, a few people taking some naps, but come night time, this place goes off. We were down here the other night, full of street food vendors, people selling a few wares, a mix of locals and tourists down here just getting their food game on. But now if you'd like to look up to your left up here, you see in the background the old Hotel Saigon Morin. Apparently this place has been around since about 1901. As I said earlier, our mission for today was to find some board shorts. I've got to get them, and I've got to get them in the next day or two. It's been a bust so far. We've tried half a dozen places this morning. Either didn't have my size, too expensive, whatever the reason. Just found this little place. I'm feeling hopeful, I'm feeling positive, so we'll go and see if they've got anything for us. I told you I felt good about this one. The reason I felt good is because I saw them as we walked up the street. I could see them hanging in the front. Ready for a look? How's that for mornings? Hello!
Hello!
Crazy thing is, because I bought a pair, Tash had to get a pair. And we got matching. Look! Woohoo! Yay!
Tell them what we got it for.
We got it for $100,000 for both pair, matching set, his and hers. So $100,000. Gotta love it. Happy with that.
Woohoo!
Woo. Now I think it might be time for a drink. What do you reckon?
Oh yeah.
A smoothie though, not alcohol.
Aww.
Come on, settle down. It's still morning.
Okay.
Let's go.
We found some boardies, which is a plus, but it is absolutely sweltering. We're melting. And we found this place that says all drinks are $1, so we thought we'd come and check it out. And sure enough, it's all $1. So we're having a mango smoothie. Yum. That's definitely made from fresh mango. It's got chunks and everything. It's delicious.
So as Tash said, all the drinks here, $1 US, which in store is 23,000 dong, which is crazy cheap for smoothies, coffees, juices, things like that. The real gold here, the real attraction for us, 500ml Hooters for 12,000 dong. Now remember our video from the other night, we went to Cask, and we thought we'd struck gold, getting 11,000 dong Hooters and Happy Hour. They're only 375ml. Here's the big brother for only 1,000 dong more. Loving it. So if you're in Hawaii, She's Coffee and Beer. We've put it on Google Maps for you because it wasn't there. It's got to be reviewed or something, so hopefully it's popped up by now by the time you watch this video. Come check it out. The other cool thing about this place, it's right on one of the weekend walking streets. So 6 o'clock at night, close the streets off to traffic, walking only, and it turns into a night market.
So we found some random place in Skay to come and have dinner, no idea what it's called, sorry. But I had a really yummy yellow noodle sauteed with vegetables, it was delicious. Leon had fried rice and pork, yeah. I don't know what yours was, mine was 55,000, absolute bargain. And we're getting a show with the meal.
So we're not 100% sure what's going on behind us here, but it looks like some form of street karaoke. There's a couple of guys playing live on guitar, one of them beating some sort of drum. People just walk up, ask if they can play a song, got the lyrics on the phone, they give them a mic and off they go. Some of it's not too bad actually.
So just finished dinner, head back to the hotel, and this morning we gave them some laundry to be done. They've just given us a bag. Although it looks like it's missing some of our stuff, but we've gained some other people's stuff, we're not sure. We're going to check it out. But for 30,000 a kilo, it's not a bad deal. This is definitely ours. This, not so much. So I'm going to run down to reception, return that, and we will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.